Imagine the vital supplies astronauts rely on for their survival and research suddenly being delayed in reaching the International Space Station. This almost happened recently, and it reveals how even the smallest technical hiccup can ripple through space missions. On Thursday, a cargo spacecraft built by Northrop Grumman finally docked with the ISS after a one-day postponement caused by an unexpected early shutdown of its main engine. But here's where it gets interesting. The delay was traced back to software settings that were simply too cautious, highlighting how software parameters, often overlooked, can have a major impact on space operations. Over the skies of Africa, astronauts aboard the ISS skillfully used the station's robotic arm to capture the Cygnus capsule, a crucial link in keeping the orbiting laboratory stocked. This spacecraft, weighing about 11,000 pounds, around 5,000 kilograms, carried an essential load including food, scientific equipment, experiments, and even parts to maintain the station's toilet system. Reminders that life in space depends on intricate, everyday items. Originally set to arrive Wednesday, just 3 days after launching from Cape Canaveral, Florida, the capsule's climb was interrupted when its main engine cut out prematurely. Engineers quickly pinpointed the root cause to be software configured with overly conservative limits, a decision that sparked a brief debate. Should safety protocols be more flexible in space? This mission is especially notable because it marked the debut flight of the newly enlarged version of the Cygnus spacecraft, designed to carry bigger payloads than before. NASA, working with Northrop Grumman and SpaceX, ensures continuous supply to the ISS. But it's not a one-country effort. Russia regularly sends shipments, and Japan is poised to restart its own deliveries soon, showing how international collaboration is critical for sustained human presence in orbit. In a touching tribute to space exploration history, Northrop Grumman named this latest Cygnus capsule the SS Willie McCool, honoring the pilot of the tragic 2003 Space Shuttle Columbia mission. This reminder of past sacrifices underscores the risks and dedication involved in pushing humanity further into space. And here's the part most people miss. Beyond the engineering feats and international teamwork, each supply mission is a story of human connection, from the engineers on Earth tweaking software to the astronauts depending on timely deliveries to continue their groundbreaking research. Should we reconsider how cautious safety measures are balanced against mission efficiency? What are your thoughts on software's role in spaceflight reliability? Share your opinions below. Space exploration thrives on diverse perspectives and debate.